So next let me move on to the second problem, which goes like this. The following was observed successively with the leveling instrument. The instrument was shifted after 5th and 11th readings, and the readings are as given below. There is 0.585, 1.010, 1.735, 3.295, 3.775, 0.350, 1.300, 1.795, 2.075, 3.375, 3.895, 1.735, 0.635 and 1.605. So the readings are given as shown. Draw up page of level book and determine the RL of various points if RL of first point is 136.440 meters. So here in this question they have not specified a table. The readings are not given in a tabular column. Instead they have given the readings one after the other, and also they have given you a hint, that is the instrument was shifted after 5th and 11th readings. Okay, and also they have specified the RL of first point. So using all these data we can easily calculate the RLs of all the points, and also we can write the tabular column. So let me write the readings which is given in the question, and he has not specified in which method we have to calculate the elevations, that is by HI method or rise and fall. We can adopt any method and calculate the RLs. So what is given in the question? The instrument was shifted after 5th and 11th readings. The instrument was shifted after 5th and 11th reading. So which is the 5th reading here? 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. So after this reading was taken, the instrument is now shifted to a new point. So this indicates this reading should be written under foresight, and this should be written under backside, and all these readings should be entered under IS. That's what he has given. Okay. Now the instrument is shifted after 11th reading. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So after this reading the instrument was shifted. So it denotes is FS, and the next reading should be written as BS, and these readings in between should be written under IS. Next, if that is BS, this will be IS, and since it is the last reading, this will be written as FS. So BS, IS, FS. So this is the hint given. Okay. So according to this hint, we have to write the tabular column. We have to write the readings in this particular format. Okay. So backside. So the instrument was shifted after taking 5th and 11th reading. That means after completing 5 readings, the instrument was shifted. That means it is foresight. If this is foresight and this is backside, since it is the first reading, these readings will be written under IS. Similarly, if the instrument is shifted to a new point now, this reading will come under BS, and the instrument is shifted after 11th reading. So taking this reading, the instrument is shifted. So this will be FS, this will be BS. and if this is BS, all these readings should be written under IS. Next, after BS, this is not the last reading, so I have written IS and this should be FS. So this will give you a hint to write the tabular column. Okay, let me write the tabular column using this hint. So problem number 2, I am going to do this problem by using HI method. You can also do it by using rise and fall method and check. Okay, so first column, station, backside, intermediate side, foresight, height of instrument, RL. Okay. Now the tabular column is ready. Let us enter the readings here. Backside is 0.585 and the next reading is IS 1.010, 1.735, 3.295 and this is foresight. Next, and the same line you should enter backside, which is 0.350, next 1.300, 1.795, 2.075, 3.375 and you should write the last reading here under FS, and in the same line write BS, which is 1.735, next reading will be IS 0.635 and last reading is 1.605. Okay, and RL of first point is given as 136.440 meters. So now station, let us take this as first station A. From first station we have taken so many readings, so this will be station B, or we can say change point 1. Okay, so from this station we have again taken these readings and this denotes we have shifted the instrument one more time and readings are taken, so it is change point 2. Okay, so this will be the last reading. Now let me number the readings. Let this be 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not 5, this is 5. Fifth reading 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So based on the question we can easily make out that the instrument was shifted after taking fifth reading. Yes, this denotes the last reading from the first station, and after the 11th reading is taken again. Yes, we have backside here. Yes, the instrument was shifted after 5th and 11th readings. We can say easily by looking at the foresight readings. Okay, now to calculate HI and RL, what is the formula we have? We have HI is equal to RL of benchmark or first point plus backside, and RL of next point is equal to HI minus IS or FS. This is the formula which we are having. So by using these two formulas we can easily calculate the RLs of the next point. First, HI at station A, that is equal to RL of benchmark plus backside is equal to how much? 136.440 plus 0.585, that is equal to 137.025 meters. So let me write HI here as 137.025. So how do you calculate RL of next point? RL of next point is equal to HI at A minus its IS, that is equal to this minus this, 137.025 minus 1.010, that is equal to 136.015 meters. 136.015. Similarly, you can calculate the RL of next point, but here the instrument is not shifted after taking this reading, so the height of instrument remains same until this point. Okay, so to calculate RL of next point, this minus this, that will give you 135.290. Next, this minus this will give you 133.730. Okay, so once we arrive at this point, next using the same height of instrument, you can calculate RL of next point, that is 133.250. Okay, see here, till this point the instrument is not shifted, intermediate readings are taken. Okay, that is written under IS. So we have to deduct HI and the IS readings. Next, at last, HI minus FS will give you RL of this point. Okay. Next, second one, HI at change point 1 is equal to RL at that point, RL of change point 1 plus backside at that point is equal to this plus that backside, which is 133.250 plus 0.350, that is equal to 133.600. The height of instrument obtained should be written where the instrument is shifted, that is 133.600. This minus this will give you the RL of next point, that is 132.300. Next, similarly, take this reading minus this, which is 131.805. Same thing, this minus this, 133.600 minus 2.075 is equal to 131.525. Next, this minus this value will give you 133.600 minus 3.375, 130.225. Okay, now same, this reading minus this will give you RL of next point, that is 129.705. The instrument is shifted to a new point whose backside is also taken, so we will get HI. So the third HI here is HI at change point 2 is equal to RL of change point 2 plus its backside is equal to 129.705 plus 1.735, that is equal to 131.440. So to calculate RL of next point, just perform this minus IS, you will get RL of next point, which is 130.805, and at last this minus this will give you 129.835. So this is how you calculate the RLs of the next point HI method. Okay. Now we have to apply check and check whether the obtained values are correct. What is the check available in HI method? That is sigma BS minus sigma Fs should be equal to last RL minus first RL. Okay, what is sigma Bs? .67, sigma Fs 9.275. Okay. Now check. Sigma Bs minus sigma Fs is equal to last RL minus first RL, that is 2.67 minus 9.275 is equal to 129.835 minus 136.440, that is minus 6.605 is equal to minus 6.605. Minus and minus cancel, and you can say both the values on RHS and LHS are equal, 6.605 and 6.605. So the calculated elevations or RLs are correct. Okay. Now let me do this problem in rise and fall method. Okay. Let me erase this. So this is the tabular column for rise and fall method. Before writing the table, you have to write which method you are going to use, whether it is HI method or rise and fall method. Okay. Now, how do you calculate rise and fall? You have to take difference between two successive readings. So let me write the arrows first. 1 minus 2, next 2 minus 3, 3 minus 4 and 4 minus 5. Readings will end here. Next, you should not perform 5 minus 6, instead you should perform 6 minus 7 because it is the last reading. 6 minus 7, 7 minus 8, 8 minus 9, 9 minus 10, 10 minus 11 is the last step from this particular station. You should not perform 11 minus 12, instead you should perform 12 minus 13 and 13 minus 14. You will get the required rise and fall. So 1 minus 2 minus 0.425, 2 minus 3 we will get minus 0.725, 3 minus 4 you will get minus, that is again written under fall, 1.560, 4 minus 5 you will get, this 4 minus 5 you will get minus 0.480. Next 6 minus 7 you will get minus 0.950. Next 7 minus 8 you will get 0.495. Next 9 minus 10 you will get 0.780. 10 minus 11 you will get 0.800. 10 minus 11 you will get 0.520. 12 minus 13 you will get plus 1.100, that's why I am writing under rise. Next 13 minus 14 you will get minus 0.970. Okay. So these are your rise and fall. So by taking this RL, calculate the RL of next point. If the next value is rise, add rise. If the next value is fall, deduct from this value. So 136.44 minus 0.42 will give you 136.015 and so on. Okay. Next, the only thing remaining here is we have to apply check. What is the check available? Sigma rise minus sigma fall is equal to last RL minus first RL. That is, we have already calculated 2.67 minus 9.275 is equal to 1.100 minus so we'll get again minus 6.605 minus 6.605 minus 6.605. So minus minus we'll get the same thing here. So you can say the calculated RLs are correct by using rise and fall method. So please practice this problem and the previous problem as well, so that you will understand how to calculate the elevations. Okay. In the next session we will be dealing with problems with missing data in the RL book. Okay. So the data will be missing, we have to calculate the missing data. That is, IS will be missing, or BS will be missing, or FS will be missing, and RLs will be missing. We have to complete the table. Okay. We will be taking up in the later sessions. Thank you.